Hey, it's Lynlee, and we're back for another amazing lean and green. Today we're making creamy, cheesy garlic chicken with veggies. For this recipe, you're going to need mushrooms, low-fat mozzarella cheese, a red pepper, a jalapeno, chicken, spinach, and low-fat cream cheese. First, we're going to measure and prep our veggies. You can slice or chop the mushrooms. Slice down the sides of the red pepper to de-seed it, and then we will slice it and chop it. Do the same thing with the jalapeno. We're going to weigh our spinach before we chop it. We're going to need 2.12 ounces of spinach. When I chop my spinach, I like to squish it all together kind of like a ball and then chop it. Turn it and do it the other way. I'm going to use 6 to 8 good-sized cloves of garlic. Here's another one of those handy-dandy tools that helps get the stuff off the garlic. You just put the garlic in, roll it, and it takes the shell right off. Okay, we're going to weigh out everything. We're going to need 5.26 ounces of red pepper. Don't forget to zero that out. Next we'll do our mushrooms, and that will be 1.23 ounces. Next will be our jalapeno, and that'll be 1.59 ounces. We're going to do 2 ounces of our low-fat mozzarella cheese. And then our cream cheese, we're just going to do 4 ounces, so that will be half your package. Now I'm going to cut up the chicken. I'm a little bit strange and I don't like to touch raw meat, so I use my little handy tool to get all my chicken out and to hold it steady. And I'm just going to cube the chicken. Once my chicken's all prepped, I'm going to go ahead and cook the chicken first. I'm going to add my chicken. We're going to cook that on medium heat. I like to add a little salt and a little pepper to my chicken. Once the chicken is done, I'm going to take it off the stove and measure out 8 ounces. Now we're ready for the vegetables. And I'm going to add my red pepper and my jalapenos. Once that's cooked down a bit, I'm going to add my garlic and my mushrooms. Once that's done, I'm going to add the spinach. Isn't that just a feast for your eyes? Once the spinach is cooked, we're going to add the cream cheese. And just mix well. And I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. Once that's all mixed together, I'm going to add my 8 ounces of chicken. Mix it until it's all coated. Look at that ooey, gooey, cheesy goodness. All right, it is ready to serve. This recipe is quick, easy, and delicious. You do not want to miss this one. This recipe is 2 servings. But this is so easy to double, triple, quadruple, whatever you need, but I promise it's worth it. I think I'm gonna have a little bite. That cheese, the creaminess, the gooiness, and that garlic. This is a must try. Thanks again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you come back for more.